This one's got invisible ink print date of September 29th, 2002. Yep. Oh, dropped. Print date on this tape's June 29th, 1998. Print date on this tape's October 13th, 1993. Print date on this tape is September 17th, 1998. This one's got a cartridge number of 30 out of 130. And this is a Canadian tape. Yeah. Yep. Print date on this tape is March 15th, 1999. This was released April 20th, 1999. Print date on this tape is January 7th, 1996. It's the same print date as the Canadian printing. I mean the white sticker label copy. I'm sorry, I meant to say white sticker label copy. Print date on this tape is March 20th, 1998. And this has the Mulan trailer, because this one's version 2. Just want to give you information on that. Print date on this tape is April 14th, 2000. Print date on this tape is March 13th, 1997. Print date on this tape is June 18th, 1994. So yep, this copy has the 1986 Walt Disney Video logo right for the Roy E. Disney intro. Because this one is version 1, I just want to give you some information on it. And this was the very first Disney animated feature film ever released. Print date on this tape is October 9th, 1997. And this one has the 1997 Grand Theft Auto warning screens because this one is version 2. I just want to give you some information on that. Print date on this tape is March 3rd, 1994. And this one has the Return to Jafar trailer at the beginning of the tape because this one's version 2. Just want to give you some quick information on that. Print date on this tape is May 20th, 1991. Sorry, my camera. Alright. Print date on this tape is July 7th, 1991. Yeah, I apologize, my camera didn't want to focus. Yeah, sometimes my camera sometimes will get tired. Print date on this tape is May 20th, 1992. Print date on this tape is May 5th, 1995. Print date on this tape is July 20th, 1995. Now, I've watched half of this tape on Sunday afternoon. Print date on this tape is August 30th, 1996. This one has the behind-the-scenes look at Hercules trailer because this one is version 1. Just want to give you some information on that. Print date on this tape is September 13th, 2002. Yeah. Print date on this tape is August 29th, 2002. Print date on this tape is November 25th, 1997. This one has the Peter Pan previous thing coming to video because this one's version 1. I just want to give you some information on that. Wait, up, yeah, here, yep. 139th week of 2001 is the week and year code on this VHS of Jim Carrey's How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Week and year code is the 37th week of 2000. Print date on this tape is September 6, 2003. Print date on this tape is June 10th, 1995. And no, this one does not have that Disney Interactive promo at the beginning because this one's version 1. I just want to give you some information on that. Print date on this tape is July 27th, 1997. This one's got the longer version being the Beast Enchanted Christmas Preview because this one is version 2. Just want to give you some information on that. Print date on this tape is November 26, 2002. Even though this tape is still the 1998 VHS, it has the same previews as the 98 VHS. Yep. Print date on this tape is June 19th, 2002. Print date on this tape is June 8th, 1996. Print date on this tape is November 20th, 2000. Print date on this tape is September 22nd, 1999. Print date on this tape's April 20th, 1998. And this tape was released June 2nd, 1998. I just did a VHS overview on this copy and the factory sale copy just a few days ago. You guys are going to go check out that video for yourself. Print date on this tape's July 30th, 1998. I'm looking forward to doing a comparison video for this movie 70th anniversary edition comparison video for this later on this month. Print date on this tape is April 18th, 1996. The tape was released 6 days later, on the 24th of April that year. Print date on this tape, November 17th, 1992. Yep. And this one has the Pinocchio trailer before the tape actually starts, because this one's version 2. Another one that has no Pinocchio trailer in it, not at the beginning or the end, that one would be version 1.5. That's what I call that one. Version 1.5. Alrighty. Print date on this tape's December 10th, 1997. Even though this is a 1998 VHS. Yep, sometimes those tapes can be printed at the end of the previous calendar year. That's what you've seen on a lot of Disney tapes. Or other tapes released in the next year. Print date on this tape's August 22nd, 1994. Print date on this tape is June 15th, 1998. And yep, today marks 14 years of me owning this particular copy of the Black Cauldron 1998 VHS. And this one has the feature program bumper, right? Because this one is version 1. I just want to give you some quick information on that. Print date on this tape is July 5th, 1993, so this tape's printed the day after Independence Day. This one's got invisible print date of January 19th, 2004, and this one's a white tape.